Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Today I'm going to share with you guys the full comparison and 8 hidden differences between these two smartphones. Because a lot of people think Tecno Camon 16 Premier and Infinix Zero 8 have the same features, which they are not. So stick with me to the end to find out the 8 hidden differences between these two smartphones. Now let's start the full comparison of this smartphone. Tecno Camon 16 Premier and Infinix Zero 8 runs on Android version 10, and they both have the 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. The display resolution for this both smartphone is 1080p IPS LCD. They both have the side-mounted fingerprint, and the both phone have 4005 mAh battery along with 30W charger. And the dual SIM type for this phone, the same type for this phone is dual SIM. And about the connectivity of this phone, both phones have 3G and 4G network. They both have the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the USB ports for this both phone is Type-C ports. And about the camera for this both phone, the rear camera for this both phone is 64MP wide, 8MP ultra wide, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth, and they both records at 4K. The front camera for the both phone is 48MP and 8MP ultra wide, and the front camera records at 1080p. The chipset of this two smartphones is Mediatek Helio G90, the best gaming chipset in the market, and it is an impressive features in these two phones. And now let me share with you guys the 8 hidden differences between these two smartphones. 1. Tecno Camon 16 Premier have a front camera flash which allows you to take selfie cameras in a low light, while Infinix Zero 8 do not have front camera flash. And again, the camera cutout for this both phone are different. And also obviously the brand name is different. And the colors of each of these phone is different. Tecno Camon 16 Premier have only one color, while Infinix Zero 8 have 3 colors. The display size of this both phone is different. Tecno Camon 16 Premier is 6.9 inches, while Infinix is 6.85 inches. For movie freak who love watching movies on their phone or playing games, we like to go for a phone with high inches like 6.9 inches. And the charging time for these both phones are different according to Valon reviews. Tecno Camon 16 Premier charges for 1 hour 9 minutes, while Infinix Zero 8 charge for 1 hour 12 minutes, 3 minutes difference. And the length of this phone, of the both phone, is different. Tecno Camon 16 Premier length is 6.71 inches, while Infinix Zero 8 is 6.64 inches. The price of this phone are different too. That's the last. And again, I would like to share you guys that another reason or another differences in Infinix Zero 8 is that Infinix Zero 8 is voice over LTE enabled, which means you can use this to call over 4G network. For those who don't understand the function of voice over LTE, check my description box to find out the function. And lastly, I would like to tell you guys that to comment which of this phone is better for you, which of this phone will you like to buy, or which of this phone will work for you. So comment guys. And in this video, the differences and the full comparison is based on number and do not determine or define which is better or worse. So you guys should comment which one is working for you. So lastly, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. Thank you very much for watching.